In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete in Microsoft Planner. If you need to remove a plan you no longer use, Microsoft Planner makes the process fairly straightforward. Just keep in mind that deleting a plan is a permanent action, so it's a good idea to pause for a moment and make sure you're deleting the correct one before you confirm anything. To begin, go to your plan board in Microsoft Planner. This is the main view where you can see the plan and its tasks laid out on the board. Before moving forward, take a quick look at the plan name at the top of the screen so you can confirm that you're in the right place. This is especially helpful if you manage multiple plans and want to avoid deleting the wrong one by mistake. Once you're on the correct plan board, look near the top of the page for the three-dot menu next to or above the plan name. This menu is where Planner keeps additional options for managing the plan. Click those three dots to open the drop-down menu. After the menu appears, look for the option labeled Delete this plan. Click on that option to start the deletion process. At this point, Microsoft Planner may show a confirmation prompt, depending on your setup, because this action removes the entire plan rather than just a single task or bucket. If you see a confirmation message, read it carefully and make sure you're comfortable proceeding. That's all you need to do to delete a plan in Microsoft Planner. The key part of this process is simply navigating to the correct plan board, opening the three-dot menu and choosing Delete this plan. As a quick tip, if you're not completely sure whether you should delete the plan, consider reviewing its tasks and content first. Deleting a full plan is much more significant than cleaning up a few tasks, so it's worth double-checking before you go ahead. This can be especially useful in shared workspaces where other team members may still rely on that plan. So again, the process is simple. Open your plan board, click the three dots at the top of the plan, and select Delete this plan. If prompted, confirm the deletion to finish. And that's how to delete a plan in Microsoft Planner.